For example, in Canada, the minimum carapace length is usually around 70 millimeters. During transport and sorting, fishermen use many different methods. Experienced fishermen can usually estimate the size and weight of a lobster
with just a glance, allowing them to sort a large amount in a very short time.
After being sorted, they are transported to the factory for preservation and packaging.
Ready to be shipped to consumers. Canada is famous for producing
some of the highest quality lobster in the world.
And this industry is very focused on maintaining this reputation. Proof is that the Canadian lobster industry has a long-standing certification called the Marine Stewardship Council certification, abbreviated as MSC.
Having MSC certification helps enhance the reputation and prestige of the product, not only in the domestic market, but also in the international market.
The lobster industry in Canada does not only bring in income,
but is also a source of employment for over 50,000 Canadians nationwide. The jobs generated by the industry play an important role for many Canadians. In rural areas, these jobs provide stable employment opportunities
and income for many people. According to the Fisheries Council of Canada,
the average income of a lobster fisherman in Canada is about $65,000 a year.
Although this industry brings many economic benefits, there are still concerns
About its environmental impact, overfishing and habitat destruction have caused lobster populations in some areas to decline. To address these concerns, Canadian fishermen are implementing sustainable fishing methods and supporting habitat restoration efforts.
Now, let's learn about another creature, the ring-necked pheasant.
Originating from North America, pheasants are one of the earliest domesticated poultry species. Pheasants are strong flyers, which creates a challenge in managing them. To solve this problem, farmers often build enclosed pens with protective netting.
this helps prevent pheasants from flying out. Pheasants are known for laying many eggs, producing 10 to 12 eggs per clutch, with each egg weighing about 60 to 65 grams.
After that, the eggs will be put into a specialized egg washing machine
to remove dust, bacteria, and other impurities. This process helps ensure clean and safe eggs for the later incubation process, thanks to modern incubators.
The hatching rate of pheasant eggs has increased from 40% to at least 70%.
Producing 10 to 12 eggs per clutch, with each egg weighing about 60 to 65 grams.
After that, the eggs will be put
into a specialized egg washing machine.
To remove dust, bacteria, and other impurities. This process helps ensure clean and safe eggs.
For the later incubation process.
Thanks to modern incubators, the hatching rate of pheasant eggs has increased from 40% to at least 70%.
The incubation process for pheasant chicks takes about 28 to 30 days.
After hatching, the chicks will be carefully checked and sorted by workers. Then, workers put them into well-ventilated transport crates.
Finally, they will be transported to other farms to continue the rearing process.
If you find these pheasant chicks adorable, please leave a 2 in the comments.
When arriving at the farm, pheasant chicks are raised on a protein-rich diet,
mainly consisting of soft foods to optimize the digestive process.
As they grow older, their diet gradually shifts from soft to hard forms,
suitable for their development. Newly hatched chicks usually need a warm environment
to enhance health and development. Therefore, farmers will light lamps,
the heater, to create a warmer area in the coop, ensuring the health of the chicks. Indeed. Pheasants raised in captivity often encounter problems with feather pecking
and eating each other. Therefore, the poultry farming industry has researched measures
taught to control this situation by covering their beaks with a specialized tool.
This is one of the measures to ensure comfort and health.
For pheasants during the care process, pheasants usually excrete a large amount of manure, so periodically farmers will till the soil.
This helps the soil to be ventilated, creating conditions for air circulation
and limiting bad odors from manure. Typically, pheasants are raised indoors
until they reach about 8 weeks old. After this time, they have developed enough to withstand and adapt to the natural environment.
They can be released into the garden with a density of 0.5 to 1 square meter per bird.
The free-range garden is designed flat, planted with trees or covered with shade nets.
Point to ensure the best living conditions for pheasants after the captivity period.
Every day, farmers can feed pheasants 4 to 5 times
to keep the food fresh and avoid leftovers.
The raising time until pheasants mature and can be sold for meat
is from 20 to 30 weeks. When mature, pheasants can reach a weight
of about 3 to 5 kilograms. However, this depends on each pheasant breed
and the care conditions of each farm.
When pheasants mature, the nose covers are usually removed.
to reduce the risk of injury and enhance respiratory ability. This process is usually done gently to ensure comfort for the pheasants. Pheasant meat is not only rich in protein, but also contains many vitamins and essential minerals such as vitamin B6, B12, iron, and zinc, helping to support the immune system, improve brain function, and enhance cardiovascular health.
Pheasants are not only raised for food purposes,
but also contribute to biodiversity conservation and maintaining ecosystem balance.
Raising pheasants can help reduce reliance on industrial food sources,
aiming for sustainable and more environmentally responsible consumption.
Furthermore, pheasants are also a part of the mixed farming system.
By controlling pests and providing organic fertilizer for the soil.
From there, supporting the sustainable development of agriculture.
What do you think about the processes of raising lobsters and pheasants?
The transcription is, share your thoughts in the comments.
Your support motivates us to create even better videos.
Thank you for watching, and see you next time.
Let me introduce you to our content editor, who is currently focused on writing scripts about agriculture.
Her creative scripts are very much loved and welcomed by the audience.
Next is the channel owner, who is also our editing expert. He works with dedication and professionalism,
producing absolutely fantastic videos. He truly is a role model for our team to learn from.
We hope you will support our channel in the future. Thank you.